there's hunger in my walking. The pavement grey reflects my mind, the purple sky my dreaming. The traffic lights were always red, but now I feel them changing. My spirit wakes me from my dream as black night turns into golden and takes me out of the city's glare to where the air is sweeter. And when I come to my last repose, His goodness faileth never. The